come from the bottom. I used to be broke now, man.
What are you running?
3 XV.3 18 on 112 12.5 Adam case, and I got a 300 XL off, and that's pretty much all I'm running in here because there ain't really much going on. My new build gonna have 6 platform 518 on 3 JP93s on 3 probably. I think I'm gonna go brand new, $400 on there. But it's gonna be a way bigger build than this. This is my play around car. So, but check me out soon. I'm coming. Stupid Yuki coming next year, 2026.